I just wanted to drop by and share how the era of seat-based business intelligence licensing is over and what this might mean for you, especially if you are in an enterprise SaaS business. Hi, my name is Bab, and I bring out stories from Babbage Insight,
the company building the most advanced proactive business insight engine.
So see, for decades, selling big enterprise software was a pretty sweet deal. You typically made more money only when the customers hired more people, because more people meant selling more licenses or seats. But given that the entire promise of AI is to help those same customers do more with fewer people, all of a sudden the software company's goals and the customer's goals are going in completely opposite directions. So yeah, the old map is useless. Now everyone is scrambling to figure out a new way forward, and in this new terrain, we're seeing this huge convergence happening. You've got Snowflake and Databricks, who are now climbing way up the analytics stack, racing to build what's called the semantic layer that translates raw data into something that means something for the business, like what a customer or a sale actually is. And they're not stopping there. They're pushing into AI agents that could take actions all by themselves. Even giants like Salesforce are doing a complete 180, shifting from systems built for humans to entire ecosystems built for these autonomous bots. So if bots are doing all the work and that old per seat pricing model is going to be dead in the water, how does anybody actually make money anymore? We have written about it in our latest blog that you can check out. The next logical step from per seat pricing is usage-based pricing. But the real goal, the holy grail of all this, is going to be outcome-based pricing, where you only pay when the software actually gets the job done. And this is the central conflict for most B2B SaaS companies right now. How do you convince a customer who's used to paying a nice predictable fee for each person to suddenly start paying a new variable cost for AI usage,
especially when the return on that investment isn't always super clear right away? At Babbage, we think that the new battleground is going to be for control of the system of intelligence. Not just raw data, not a fancy dashboard, but the layer that holds a company's unique business logic, all its context, its key metrics. That is what's going to power every single autonomous decision. Just think about what Amazon Web Services did. It took computing power, which used to be this massive fixed cost, and turned it into a flexible utility. You just pay for as you go. The goal of this new race is to do the exact same thing, but for intelligence.